Hello students, we are running chapter linear equation in two variables and today we are studying competency based questions. Okay, so write the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. It is the standard form of linear equation. So first question, 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 3. So arrange this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y plus 2, 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is 3 and c is 2. Clear? Now one more example we are taking. What is 3 by 2 multiplied by y plus x by 4 is equal to 2 by 3. What will you do? First take the LCM of this. Isn't it? It is 12. So multiplied by 12. But I am not doing multiplication. I multiply by 3 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 3. Okay. Therefore. Or you can write by multiply. Multiply by 12 to the both side. To the both sides. Okay. Then what is 12 multiplied by 3 by 2 y plus 12 multiplied by x by 4 is equal to 12 multiplied by 2 by 3. Isn't it? So 2 6s are, 4 3s are and 3 4s are. So what is the equation? 6 3s are 18y plus 3 multiplied by x is 3x is equal to 4 2s are 8. So it is, therefore equation is 3x plus 18y minus 8 is equal to 0. What the values of A, B, C? A is 3, then B is 18 and C is minus 8. Is that clear? Now one more question we are taking. So the next question is find the value of k. Find the value of k if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is solution of the equation 4x plus in the bracket k minus y multiplied by y is equal to 16. Okay. So the equation is 4x plus in the bracket k minus 1 bracket multiplied by y is equal to 16. What are the values? The values of x and y. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 in the given equation. In the given equation. Therefore, equation is, what is 4 multiplied by 3 plus k minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Open the bracket, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, 12 plus 2k minus 2. 16 is here. Minus 16 is equal to 0. 4 3s are 12. Open the bracket by 2. 2 multiplied by k is 2k. Minus 2 is equal to 16. Take this side. So, plus 16 will be minus 16. Therefore, now minus 16 minus 2 is minus 18. 2k plus 12 minus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore, what is minus 16 plus 12 minus 18 plus 12? What is it? 2k minus 6 is equal to 0. 18 minus 12 is 6. Greater number is minus, that is why put here minus sign. Therefore 2k is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 6 divided by 2. K is equal to 3. Clear? Understood? How I find the value of k? By putting the values of x and y, the equation. I rewrite equation and then I solve it, and the value of k now 3. Clear? One more example we are taking. Next question is, find the solution. Find the solution of the linear equation x plus 2y is equal to 8, which represents point on x-axis and second y-axis. So one by one we are solving. Point is on x-axis. When point is on x-axis, tell me what will be the coordinates. If point is on x-axis, means x coordinate is there but y coordinate is 0, isn't it? When point is on x-axis, therefore its coordinate, what is coordinate? x 0, because point lies on x-axis. Here is the point, means its y coordinate is 0. Is it clear? Understood? Therefore, put the values by put the value, or put x equal to 0, put x and y equal to 0 in the equation. Okay, x equal to x and y equal to 0 in the equation. Therefore equation is what is the equation? X plus 2y is equal to 8. X plus 2 multiplied by 0 is 8. Therefore x is equal to 8. Isn't it? Therefore what is the solution? What is the coordinates, or what is the solution? Solution is 8, 0. Clear? Because on the x-axis, y coordinate is always 0. On the x-axis, y coordinate is always 0. That is why by putting y equal to 0, we got x, the value of x is 8. Now second point, what is? When the point is on y-axis, y-axis means x coordinate is 0. When point is on the y-axis, then its x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. Okay. So we are using this point here. Point is on y-axis. Point is on y-axis. Therefore, its coordinate, what are the coordinates? 0, y. Because point is on the y-axis. Therefore, equation is what is? X plus 2y is equal to 8. Now x coordinate is 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. Therefore 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. What is the solution? Solution is 0, 4. Clear? When point is on the x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. And when point is on the y-axis, then its x coordinate is 0. Clear? By putting the values, you will get the solution. Now next question is, for what value of c? The linear equation 2x plus cy is equal to 8 has equal values of x and y for its solution. When x and y, solution, what is the condition? 2x plus cy is equal to 8 has equal values of x and y. When solution, when x and y are equal or has equal values of x and when x and y has equal values, then x equal to y, isn't it? Therefore equation 2x plus cy is equal to 8. Therefore 2x plus cx is equal to 8. Therefore cx is equal to 8 minus 2x. Therefore what is c is equal to 8 minus 2x divided by x. X not equal to 0. What I did here? Condition says when x and y are equal, then what is solution? When x and y has equal values, that time x is equal to y. Now instead of y, I use x because the question says x and y has equal values. That is why 2x plus cy is equal to 8. I rewrite this equation 2x plus cx. Instead of y, I wrote x. 2x plus cx is equal to 8. Therefore cx is equal to 8 minus 2x. Therefore c is equal to 8 minus 2x divided by x, where x not equal to 0. Clear? Next question is, give the geometrical representation of x is equal to minus 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. Okay, so equation is x is equal to minus 3. So we will show it is on number line because the equation is in one variable. It is so easy. Draw the number line first. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. To the left, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here is our point. This is our line x. Okay. But equation in two variables. First we will convert this equation into two variables. So x is equal to minus 3 means x plus 0y is equal to minus 3. This is the equation in two variables. Okay. Now we are choosing the values of y, different values of y, then we will get the values of x. Okay, so for the equation x plus 0y is equal to 3, first take the y equal to 0, x y, take y equal to 0, therefore equation put y is equal to 0, therefore x plus 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3. We got minus 3. Now y is equal to 1, put y is equal to 1, put y is equal to 1. Therefore x plus 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Clear? Then we are taking y is equal to 2. Therefore equation is x plus 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 3. X plus 0 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. We got the point 2 minus 3 2. The value of y is 2. That time x is minus 3. Now we are plotting these points on the graph. Okay. We are plotting these points on the graph. Let me erase this. Okay. Now draw the x-axis, then y-axis. First, draw x-axis. And it is very easy, x and y. this side is x dash y dash. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Now we are plotting these points. Minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0 means here. Then minus 3, 1 means here. This is minus 3, 1. Then next is minus 3, 2 means here. Minus 3, 2, isn't it? Minus 3, 0. Then minus 3, 1 and minus 3, 2. Join the points. Okay. Equation of this line is x is equal to minus 3. The line which is parallel to y-axis. And line which is parallel to y-axis is always in x. Here, x is constant. The values of y is different. Here is 0, here is 1, here is 2. But the x coordinate is constant. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. That is why the equation of this line is x is equal to minus 3. This is the geometrical representation in two variables. Understood? Try to solve this type of questions. Okay? Thank you.